Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning crew, welcome back. Thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. So you guys, for today's video, I am doing my May Boxycharm unboxing with you guys. So this is the look that I came up with the products that's in the box. I am really excited for you guys to see how I got this eyes. There is no eyeshadow palettes in this month's box, so hopefully that intrigues you, because this eye right here I think is pretty nice. I think I did a very good job creating this look. And can we talk about the wing, you guys? Can we talk about the wing? I'm not the best at doing wings, but the brushes and the product that's in this box, it just made it so much easier. So I hope you guys stay and watch this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel and not part of the crew just yet, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and that's all you have to do, you guys. That's all you have to do. So if you guys want to see my May Boxycharm unboxing, then just keep on watching. So this is just a little preview of the box this month. This is just some of the products inside. Let's go ahead and talk about the theme. This is what the card looks like this month. It's such a fun card, and at the back, like always, they have the information that you need to know about the products and the prices for them. So it's always good to have this card. So the first thing that I see in the box is this COVERFX blurring primer. It's always good to get primer in the box so we can try other primers than the ones that we are stuck using, just because we love it so much. I'm really excited to try this primer just because, you know, I want to explore more of the primer world, because, you know, we want that really really good base for our foundation. It looks like it's tinted, but it's probably just gonna blend to your skin. I think with primers, it takes you a few use to see if it really, you know, if it really works. It's supposed to be blurring primer, but it's not really blurring my pores. So you guys, I mean, it makes my skin really soft. I want to use it a few more times to see you know, if I can see a difference. So I'm going to be using this for a minute just to see how I feel about this. I love primers, so I'm happy that we have this in our box this month. So you guys, sadly there is no eyeshadow palette in this month's box. I think we've been so spoiled, and we expect that there's going to be palettes in each box. So not this month, guys, but they do have a Sculptor palette that they put in here. This is from, let's see, this is from Pure. This Sculptor palette retails for $30, you guys. So it has 2 highlighters and 2 contour shades. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a mirror, so you have your 2 highlighters on this side, and then you have your contour shades on this side. We also have few brushes in this month's box that we can use with this palette. So the first brush is this face brush right here, and this brush right here retails for $27. I'm gonna take the lightest one first, which is Inventor, this one right here. We also have a mirror, so I'm just gonna dip my brush into it. It looks pretty dark, but hopefully it doesn't apply too dark on the skin. So, oh, okay. Why does it look patchy? You guys, it's kind of smell like chocolate. Okay, we just had to blend it, but it applied really patchy at first. I know everybody loves the cooler tone for the contour shades, but you guys, it looks so muddy on my skin. I don't really care for it. Can you guys see it? Maybe I went a little too far over here, but still, like, it's really patchy. It did blend really well on the skin. You just have to really bump it into your cheeks, but that's a lot of work, and it's a little patchy on this side. This one is fine right here. I like how it blended on the cheeks, but this one right here, maybe I went a little too much on the brush. But I'm also gonna use this brush to apply our blush. This is a very versatile brush. You can use it for your contour, you can use it for your blush, you can probably use this to highlight too and to set your under eye. Just so many uses for this brush, so I'm glad that it's in our box this month. And then I'm also going to take the highlight in this palette. Let's take this one right here, and I'm going to just use a Morphe brush to apply that to our cheeks. Okay, and that's not even a lot on the brush, you guys. Now I'm gonna take the bottom one and we're gonna put it on the other side. Oh, you guys, what did we do before highlight? I am obsessed with the highlights. Either one of them is really good. It's really glowy on the cheeks, so you can definitely go crazy with it, or you can do it really lightly on the cheeks and it'll just give you a hint of, you know, glow on the cheeks. So I'm also going to use the Sculptor Palette for the eyes. So I'm going to take the one on top and I'm going to apply that to my crease. You guys, I swear this palette smells like chocolate. And I'm also going to take the dark one and let's just go ahead and deepen up our crease with that. I'm also going to take the dark brown, I'm going to put it on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to finish the other side and I'm going to clean up the inner part of my lid with the concealer, and I will be right back. So we're getting so much use out of this Sculptor palette and I am loving it, you guys. So I'm going to take this highlighter up here and we're going to put that on this area where we cleaned it. Now I'm taking this brush again and I'm going to take the dark one. We're just going to blend the outer V. Let's go ahead and move on to the next products in the box, which is this really pretty container. You guys, I am obsessed with container. I buy things just because of like weirdly shaped, or it's something that's just really pretty. Like it could be a perfume and it has like a really nice body and I just want it just for the bottle and not for the scent, you know. So this is one of those things. You guys, look at this. It's kind of like those old-fashioned you know, ink container, and you have the little feather that you use to write with. This is from the company Pretty Vulgar. They do have some cute packagings on their product. So it's creamy and water resistant formula, allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. I love that. I love that it is water resistant. So this has 0.2 ounces and the name of this gel liner is Blacklist. That is really cute. So before we get into that, I want to go ahead and talk about the next 3 products in the box. So this is from the same company as the face brush that I used earlier. So you have your angled liner right here. Compared to other brushes that I have, it is pretty thick, but we can always, you know, dip into the product and you can squish the brush and we'll make it really thin. And then you have your brow spoolie. It's always good to have brow spoolie. And this one right here is the liner brush. So this is what this one looks like. I mean, I've used brushes like this and they are okay. So I'm going to take this brush right here. I'm just going to line my lash line right here. I'm not going to wing it out because we're going to wing it out from the bottom. But I just want to darken my lash line. So when we apply our lashes, it will hide the band, hopefully. Ooh, it is really creamy, you guys. And you can tell the little dip on this goes a long way. So it's just, oh, look at that brush, huh? Look at that. Look how thin it made the line. Okay, so it is pretty dark. I'm just gonna press that as close as I can to my lash line. You guys, it's gliding on there pretty nicely. I can see this guy right here making a really fine wing line, so I'm gonna use this brush on one side and I'm gonna use the other one on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes and I will be right back. Now that we have our lashes on, we can go ahead and work on their lower lash line. I'm gonna take this angle brush and we're gonna take our very fancy ink gel liner. So I'm also gonna line my waterline with this. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna create a wing. So what I've been doing is I just, you know, angle my brush like this. I have to get really close to my mirror. So I just go like this and I just follow that up. So it does create a pretty nice wing, you guys. And then I'm just gonna try to connect that on the bottom. So it's the same concept as what we do on the top. It's just for me, you know, with having coated lids, it's better if I go from the bottom. Wow, you guys, I love this thing. So this brush right here is definitely more precise than this one. This one you have more control, so oh my gosh, I love this thing. I'm gonna take the light highlighter and I'm gonna put that on our inner tear duct. And also we're gonna use that for our brow bone highlight. The last product in this box is this matte lip gloss. So this is by the company Beauty Creation and this is in the shade Kiss Me. And this one retails for $10. So that's a good price. So you guys, this is what Kiss Me looks like on my lips. I am in love with this shade. It's a bit drying. It's not too much. It's not where your lips are all like shriveling because they're just so dry, no, but it's just the feeling. It feels dry, but it looks good on the lips, you guys. I love it. I love this shade on me. I love it on my complexion. Obsessed with this one. Thank you, Boxycharm. So that's all the products in my Boxycharm this month. I am really loving everything in my box. We got so much use out of the Sculptor palette. I love every single thing in my box this month. If I can pick just one, I can't because I love this lip on me. I love the contour and the highlight shade on my eyes. The eyeliner, I love it. I love gel liner. And let's see, the brushes, they all work really well. Look at our wing. Look at our wing. Thank you, brushes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm so happy with everything in my box. Let me know what you got. I think the only thing that's going to be different on all the boxes are the shade of the lipstick. But I'm glad that I got this one because I love my colored lipstick. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything that you guys need to know about Boxycharm, every products that I got today is going to be on the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so and be part of the crew. Thank you guys for being here, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.